I'm Aiman, and welcome back to one of my auto repair videos. In today's video, I'm going to be comparing this original Honda Civic 2016-2021 passenger side CV axle, or drive shaft, to an aftermarket version. So we've also done a driver's side version of this video, and it's still a very important video because there's a lot of consideration into whether or not you get a genuine part or an aftermarket part for a replacement. And obviously, the genuine part is probably going to last a bit longer than the aftermarket part. And in many people's experience, the original usually does last longer. But there's a lot of factors into why you should, there's a lot of reasons for why you should choose the aftermarket part. And in this case, we did choose the aftermarket part. The first reason is cost. The cost of this original CV axle is $300. If you look online right now, it's about $300 to buy one originally from like Honda parts or usehondaparts.com. But if you look at other places for aftermarket parts, like Parts Geek, for example, you can find an aftermarket passenger side CV axle for about $100. And in fact, we actually found this CV axle for about $60 on Amazon, of all places. Ain't that crazy? So, of course, already, there's a pretty compelling reason to choose this over this. We might not know the quality of the aftermarket part yet, but we do know that you should replace the CV axle every 80 to 100,000 miles. And even if this lasts only like half the time, like maybe 50,000 miles or 40,000 miles, it's still a fifth of the price. Not only that, but the time it takes to replace a CV axle is so minimum. In fact, just before this video, we're doing a removal video, a removal and replaceable video. So go check that if you're interested on how to install this. It only has been like 20 or 30 minutes since we started doing that video. So it's about like an hour job maximum to replace a CV axle, assuming nothing goes wrong. And you could probably get it done in as short as 30 minutes if you're really experienced. So the fact that it's a very easy job to do, it's not like you have to replace an engine, you know, and it's a fifth of the price, it's pretty compelling why we should use this aftermarket passenger side CV axle. But if you're still a bit unsure, in the future we'll do a video talking about, like, after like a few weeks or a few months, how well these are holding up. And maybe we'll do it in a few years when we actually replace these CV axles. So if you are interested on how long it holds up, check out that future video in like 3 years. But yeah, that's the comparison between these. Here, I'll give you a closer look on what's different between them. They're pretty similar in form, but there's a lot of minute differences. So starting from the left to the right, this little metal block here has a bit of a different profile, but it's pretty like similar. Has this metal clamp for the boot. Now the rubber boot, it seems to have less layers to it, which it could have an effect on the flexibility over the long term. But that's why it's aftermarket. Anyway, there's a bit of a different profile here. Not sure why this is the case, but that is the question that many aftermarket parts leave you with. Why is it like this? I don't know. And the boots, the rubber boots here look pretty similar as well, so that's okay. This looks pretty similar. And then of course they give us the spindle nut, which we're not going to need because we're going to use the original one that came with it. But yeah, that's the comparison between our original and our aftermarket part. So I hope this video helped you guys out. But that's gonna be it for this video. I'm Aiman, and thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and look at videos on EyeOnAiman, especially the videos on the Honda Civic and on the CV axle replacement. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and look at videos on EyeOnAiman. And I'll see you in the next one. Signing out. Peace.